Well, the IT professional that I'm looking for right now is a software engineer who is specialized in IAC solutions. And I'm sorry, I will have to use a script because the job description is quite long and complex and I'd like to be accurate. So here at KBC we focus on infrastructure as code and fully automated systems as the next generation of the KBC environment. The team is pioneering with these concepts and the goal is to have a so-called software-defined architecture. Right now there are dozens of manual requests on self-service portal, and these are needed to access the standardized infrastructure services on-prem. These standardized infrastructure services should be obtainable by versioned code declarations. They should also be fully automated when we create, modify and delete them. Therefore, we are going to move from a rigid infrastructure to a rapidly evolving and agile environment. And the team is developing a service broker framework, which is a web-based application created in Python based on Flask and Celery. And it offers infrastructure services on a common REST interface. The engineering team are the service brokers. And the framework automates and provides self-service for system operations. And we use infrastructure as code and data-driven operations on every level of the pipeline. To be more specific, on the infrastructure engineering level, at data centers, DevOps engineering, application building including KBC Mobile and KBC Touch and Kate. And we also implement a central web application called Skyline that keeps a real-time Skyline overview of different service brokers. Doing so, we are able to pinpoint potential problems with great detail. Introduce new capabilities in the central brokering framework, which are used as foundations for active brokers. Support broker-to-broker communication for end-to-end flows, add a new extra broker to the mesh network, understand the infrastructure for which the broker is created, optimize and automate existing workflows, develop the Skyline application, introduce new capabilities that bring data insights of the mesh network, capturing data for broker-to-broker flows, work together with senior software engineers on developing new features, improving existing functionality and resolving several known issues. And what we expect from you is decent knowledge of Python, testing and code design patterns, Linux experience, knowledge of Flask, Celery, Ansible, CI/CD pipelines and Elk. AWS services is a plus. We are looking for someone who has analytical and problem-solving skills, someone who challenges the existing state, who is a quick learner and being able to absorb information. We are looking for a team player who is actively seeking for collaboration and who can challenge the ideas and who has the drive, the passion and who is enthusiastic. And fluent English is also required for this job.